Hey divas, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I got special tie for you. So these ties are elegant, gorgeous, and also beautiful. These are braids, gorgeous braids, beautiful braids, and I know you're definitely gonna like it. So there's another braid. I think this braid is trending now. Yeah, I like the cornrow and three set off like a knot ponytail kind of. So this is kind of like trending of recent, and there are different ways you could style that to make it look unique. Yeah, let me put it that way. So this is another one. This is the goddess. So the goddess, there are different ways you can make it. Like what I'm wearing now, this is exactly what I'm wearing now. The stylist was able to coil the tip of the extension, so it kind of like add volume to the human hair, because you know definitely you have to use human hair. If you don't use human hair, it's going to tangle and you won't like it. Within 2 weeks you won't be able to like wear the hair up to 4 weeks. Yeah, and you know this hair is so expensive. The human hair is expensive. The one I did now, I think I got it for like 70 pounds for 18 inches here in London. So you can see, and braiding my hair I spent about 100 pounds. So you can imagine adding the extension, so that's roughly 200 pounds. So it's good to always go for the best so that you could wear it for quite a while. So yeah, that's basically it. Braiding here in London is quite expensive compared to Poland. Yeah, so that's basically all from me. I'll stay back. Let's watch this video to the end. I don't want to talk too much. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to like this video and share, because sharing shows you care about this channel. I will see you at the end of this video. Keep watching. for watching my video to this stage. If you know you love this video, however, to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to watch my playlist. I got other videos that may interest you, that you would love to watch. And also I also do product review in this channel, though most of my product review are old videos, but it's still beneficial because these are products that are still in vogue, that people still are currently using. So watch that video, check out my playlist. You might see a product that you've always been looking at for the review that might interest you. And also don't forget that I also have other hair compilations like short hairstyle and also salt and pepper hairstyle for my divas, for those that have gray hair. Let's just basically say for those that have gray hair, because not necessarily if you are older that makes you have a gray hair. So any age can have a gray hair. That is most fine when you are from 25 and above. So watch the video and definitely you're going to see what you like. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.